If you are familiar with scripting, Dynamo allows its users to extend its functionality using Python. This video will demonstrate how to use Python to create a component for adding together a list of numbers. This kind of functionality is called mass addition. The script will work through each of the individual numbers in a list and add them together in sequence. To access a Python node, simply type Python in the search bar. After creating a component, you will notice that a Python script has an input and an output. I'm going to connect my number sequence into the input. The input and output is defined inside of the code. If you right-click on the Python script, choose Edit. This will launch a Python script editor. Within this editor, you can use Python to define any kind of automation functionality that you would like. You have access to typical Python libraries as well as the Revit API. In this exercise, I'm first going to define a numeric variable a and set it equal to 0. I'm now going to use conventional Python syntax to define a for loop. This loop will iterate over each item in the number sequence that is in the input. Within the for loop, I'm going to add each number to the variable a. In programming, this concept is known as simple recursion. As I iterate over each variable in the number sequence, each of those variables is added into a. I'm now going to swap out my output to be equal to a. After I accept my changes, I'm going to create a watch node to watch the Python script. After connecting the Python script into watch, I will hit run. You'll notice that all of the numbers in the sequence have been added together. I'm going to choose run automatically and alter my number sequence. As I change my number sequence, you can see that my Python script is refreshing. Python is a very powerful way to extend Dynamo's functionality and create custom ways of interacting with the visual programming language.